Hello guys, are you scared to trade in futures as your stop loss is being hit every time? You might have taken the right trade, but market reverses and hits your stop loss and then hits your target. Today's strategy will help you in identifying the trend and removing the noise. Today I will be teaching you how to be successful by trading futures on intraday basis using Heikin Hashi candle and EMA. Trust me, I use this strategy myself and I am able to make consistent profit by trading futures. I will be doing a live trade using this strategy. So do like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the live trade that I do. The reason why we are using Heikin Hashi is because it removes a lot of noise from the normal chart and the direction of the trend is easy to identify than normal charts. You can use this strategy with indices, stocks, currencies and commodities. When you are trading, always trade with only one or two lots. On an average, I make around 5 to 10,000 profit when I trade using this strategy with one or two lots. So let's see how the strategy is implemented. This is the chart from TradingView, and let me tell you, TradingView is one of the best charting tools I have come across, and there are a lot of features which you won't find in the broker charts. You can create an account by clicking on the link which is given in the description below in case you don't have a TradingView account. So it is my affiliation link. So for this example, I will be considering Reliance. We will be using three indicators. They are volume indicators, EMA, RSI, and obviously the candle is Heikin Hashi. So let's add all those. So usually by default you get the normal chart. So you will have to go here and click on Heikin Hashi to get Heikin Hashi candle. So for indicators, you can search and type relative strength index. So just use the default one. Then you use the volume indicator. Okay. Yes. So here in volume, you will have to go to the settings. You will have to click on this volume moving average. Okay. So if you want, you can change the color. So put some dark color so that the line is visible. You can see here the moving average line is here on the volume. So these are some of the features which you will not be able to get it in the broker chart. I checked this few long time back in broker charts. Probably they might have updated, which I might not be aware. But you can use this in TradingView. TradingView has much more features than all these, which I will be discussing in my course. Okay, so here I will be selecting this. Okay, so now we have the RSI, the volume and EMA. So again, you click on this exponential moving average, which is 9, correct. So by default it is 9, so you can see the EMA line here. Firstly, I will discuss when you should be going long. For going long, the entry signal is when a green candle crosses the EMA line. At this time, the volume should be above the volume moving average and the RSI should be within 30 to 60. The exit signal is when you have made 2000 rupees profit or when a red candle appears whose body is bigger than the tick. The stop loss is the low of the previous candle where you took the trade. Let me show you this in the chart. So here you can see that there was a breakout crossover of the candle with the EMA. You can also see that the volume has also gone above the 20 moving average. RSI is within 30 to 60. You can see that it's approximately around 58, which is fine. In this candle, you go long in futures. You wait till one red arrow appears. You can see that the first red arrow whose body is bigger than the tick appeared here, approximately here. So you would have entered it here, which is approximately 1917. I will consider it as 1920 in Reliance. Again, this is the spot chart what I am showing you. So in futures, it will be more or less 1 or 2 rupees more than this. Okay, or maybe even 10 rupees more. But the exit price also will be in the same range. Okay. So you would have entered at 1920 and you would have made an exit at approximately 1940. So 20 rupees profit you would have made in Reliance. So 20 rupees with in Reliance whose lot size is 250 will give you approximately 5,000 rupees profit. But you will not be waiting till 5,000 rupees. Even you will be cutting the trade when you make 2,000 or 3,000 rupees profit per lot, which will be somewhere around here. For going short, the entry signal is when a red candle crosses the EMA line. At this time, the volume should be above the 20 moving average and RSI should be within 30 to 60. The exit signal is when you have made at least 2,000 rupees profit or when a green candle appears whose body is bigger than the tick. The stop loss is the high of the previous candle where you took the trade. Let me show you with the same example of Reliance. So here you can see that Reliance was going up and there was a candle where Reliance started falling and it broke the EMA line. There was a crossover. So here you can see that the volume was also broken the 20 moving average line and the RSI is also around 58, which means that it is below 60. So this was the time where you go short on Reliance. So you would have gone short at the starting of the next candle, that is around here, somewhere around here, and you can see that you would have got a wonderful fall. So here the body of the candle is not bigger than that of a tick, so we wouldn't be covering our profit here. So you can see that Reliance fell and the exit strategy came somewhere here in this candle. So even if you had sold here from 1927, you would have actually sold it at 1941 and covered it at 1927. You would have made around 15 rupees profit, which is more than 2000, but you would not be waiting it till here. You would be cutting it the moment you get 2 to 3,000 rupees profit per lot. Stick to this strategy. I am sure this works if you follow discipline accurately. In this strategy, the risk reward ratio is wonderful. I use this strategy to make regular consistent income. Visit my website www.niftinayak.com to learn more about trading and investment. I hope you guys like the video. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.